Hi, I'm Gabriella from Biotechnology 2018.
And I'm Jeremy from Food Science 2018.
Welcome to i3L.
Today, we're going to show you how it looks like in our campus.
Let's go! So when you enter i3L, the first thing you see is the lobby.
We have a pool table, we have a ping pong table. We usually wait between classes in our lobby.
Enough of that, let's go to the admission office.
Welcome to the admission.
Here you can ask a lot more about study program, registration, and scholarship.
Another thing we'd like to do in the admission office is we'd like to talk with our lecturers, consult, talk about our projects and our study programs as well. What do you do here, G?
I was consulting with Ms. Solmus just now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, about the biocellulose thing.
Alright, so usually we can call our lecturers and they'll come right out, but
we can't get inside, so...
yeah, we'll stay out here.
This is our international office.
When you get to the international office, our staff will help you about information about double degree programs, student exchange, worldwide internship, and other exciting programs that you want to know about.
Let's go.
So here's our cafeteria,
where we can get healthy foods and delicious food.
We usually also do group works here. We hang with our friends after class and we just chill out here.
And do gossip too.
Let's check it out.
This is our gym. You can burn some calories.
Or if you have some free time, if you want to work out, you can do it here.
Welcome to our second floor. We have plenty of classroom, aquarium, and theater. The rooms are all equipped with modern facilities to support our learning experiences.
You can also book these rooms if you have clubs, communities, or if you want to study with your friends. Alright, now that we're done here,
let's go to the next floor.
Welcome to the third floor. Here we have state-of-the-art laboratories, which you can use to support your experiments, research, which is also a highlight if you want to study at i3L.
Worry not, because our facilities are all accredited by CON.
We have over 11 special laboratories for you to use with sophisticated instruments to support your study.
Hey, don't forget to wear your lab coat.
Right, don't forget to wear your lab coat.
This is our lab. It gets busy during these times.
Yeah, there's a lot of projects, internships, and usually our lab sessions can last up to 4 or 5 hours, so we get out when it's dark. Should we check out the lab?
Sure.
Now we're on the fourth floor. Pretty much we have the same classes on the second floor, but we have computer labs here for you to do all your computer stuff. If you go into bioinformatics, you might need programming, so you might need this room.
So we are in the library. We have several rooms for discussion where we can have a discussion with our faculties, friends on some projects.
We also have a lot of books if you want to borrow or if you want to chill as well as study. Library is definitely the place to go.
This is our sixth floor. We have also laboratories here, and you can spend your first and second year in the teaching lab.
So it's not only the teaching lab, you also have other labs like the sensory lab. You also have a dark room there if you want to look through the cells and experiments that you did in this teaching lab. Let's check it out.
So this is our teaching lab where we spend most of our time in the first and second year.
So we usually do general stuff here. This can fit a lot of people, around 2 classes at the same time. So we do a lot of our lab activities right here. Let's check it out. Now, on the 6th floor, we also have pilot plant. That's where food technologists study new methods to make food better, as well as study the science behind food.
After the food is made, we test it in a sensory lab to take some sensory tests.
Yeah, so you can get free food here while also studying science.
This is our 7th floor, where we have auditorium and free spaces here for our clubs and communities activity.
The free space is also used when Student Council makes a lot of events. So no worries, because i3L has a lot of free spaces.
Let's go. This is our auditorium, where we held our big classes, conferences, and annual events.
So at the end of every year, usually the Student Council makes an annual event where students can participate as well as perform. Check it out.
That's it for our campus tour.
We hope you know i3L better now.
See you in i3L.